Hi everyone, Thelma here. Thank you for stopping by and checking out my channel. For those of you that's returning, thank you for all your love and support. I greatly appreciate it. And if you're new, thank you for stopping by and checking out my channel. I really appreciate it. And whether you're returning or new, don't forget, if you haven't done so, to subscribe to my channel, click the notification bell and select all. That way you won't miss any of my future uploads, and you'll also be entered into the 2 giveaway contests that I have going on. And don't forget to go to my channel and check out the 2 small videos I have. One for each of the giveaways. It shows everything that the winner will be getting, and I explain how to enter, which is just by watching my videos, hitting that like button, subscribing to my channel, and select all, and leave me a comment to let me know you entered into the contest. Okay, today I have a Dollar Tree haul. It's Christmas, and so without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. Okay, first I want to show you these window cleans that I bought. This one is gingerbread, and then there's more on the back, and then there's another one with gnomes. I already got into the other side that had gnomes, but they've got them with trucks and different things too. Here's a 60 or 80 count, it says right here in the corner, of name tags. My husband helped me pick this out because of my eyes still. I go on the 22nd for the pre-op for my surgery on my eyes, and then on the 4th I go and get my cataracts removed from my front eye. Okay, and then there's these coloring books that I got. This is Santa with Mrs. Claus. It's a coloring / activity book. There's some pages. There's some. There's some more. And the other one is this stocking stuffers. And here's a couple pages for you to see. Now they have all different kinds of coloring books. Rudolph, Snowman, Santa, gnomes, all different kinds. Okay, now I'm going to show you some of these gnomes that I bought. These are the big ones, and they cost $3. Here's an elf gnome. Isn't he just so adorable? There's one. And here's a Santa one, and they had all different kinds of patterns for his clothes and hat, but I like this traditional looking one. And then there's this oven mitt, and I got this one because it has gingerbread men on it. Okay. They had gnomes, and they also had poinsettias. Now this is the snowman. It's Days Till Christmas. It's the countdown, and it was $3. You just take this plastic off right here and switch the numbers around. And then he's got his little scarf on. And then this is $5, and it is a tier tray for winter and Christmas. It has, the trim is snowflakes, and they also had some other ones, a Christmas tree, I believe, and another one, I can't remember what it is. And there's a few more items. Let me show you these first before I forget about them. Now they've had these gnomes last year. They're just your traditional gnomes. And then there's 2 more. And these are $1.25. The other gnomes were $3 each, which isn't a bad deal at all. And then there's this gingerbread little girl, gingerbread girl. Look at her cute little face. Isn't that adorable? Now I'm going to be using these in my kitchen. And here's the gingerbread boy. And again, she had a lollipop. He's holding a candy cane. They got their little scarves on. Look at his little outfit and that adorable little face they got. Okay, and then there's this moose gnome. They're just adorable, I think. I've heard people say gnomes are going out, but they'll never be out in my book. And the last one is, well, no, I have one more thing. I almost forgot about it. Is this elf. Okay, now the last thing, it was $5. And it's one of those great big signs. Let me show you from the top. It says Fa La La on it, and it has Santa, I believe, at the bottom here, right there. Alright, that is it for today's haul. If you liked it, please don't forget to hit that thumbs up button. It really helps my channel grow. Subscribe to my channel, click the notification bell and select all. That way you won't miss any of my future uploads and you'll be entered into the contest. And leave me a comment. I really enjoy talking to y'all. Alright, until next time.